welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Jamie and in today's video we are going to be making some sushi.
You mean bread and butterfly?
Oh yes, of course.
So I went to Coles and got a few things. I got some sushi rice, some yakinori, sushi bamboo mat, and then we had this sushi roll mold from Daiso that I got mum for like Mother's Day or maybe your birthday a couple years ago. So I think the first thing I have to start with is the rice. I'm actually just going to get the recipe up that I had on my phone and wait for the water to boil so that it's a bit quicker. And so after we put the water and rice in a large saucepan, cover it over high heat, bring it to the boil, reduced heat to low, and cook for 12 minutes or until water is absorbed. I'm just going to do the rest of the rice, like cooking the rice, and then I'll talk to you guys when that's done. Okay, I'm going to Google what the closest type of vinegar is to, what is it, sushi vinegar or rice vinegar? Because I didn't want to buy rice vinegar because I feel like that's kind of a waste of money. Use the apple cider or white wine? I just want it to taste gross. It smells alright. Also, the time's 13 minutes. 10 minutes. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Alright, the rice is going. Yeah. A little strange. We don't really know what we're doing, to be honest with you. Also, just to let you guys know, I'm doing an avocado sushi, and also I might do a chicken avocado. I'm just gonna cook one of these chicken tenders to put in it. Perfect timing. So the rice is finito. What do I do next? I might start cutting up my avocado maybe. This is the rice. Tastes pretty good. This here is all the stuff that I need to finish the rice. I don't know, you need like vinegar, sugar and salt. But I'm just going to cut up the avocado. I've got 8 pieces of avocado and I'm doing 6 things of sushi. So that's perfect. Because the chicken and avocado ones, I'll just use 1 piece, and then for the 2 avocado ones, I don't know if this is like the right angle, I'll use 2 pieces. So, okay, so Chelsea is cooking some beef, so that's kind of loud. But the rice is cooled down and I just added some stuff into it. So we added half a cup of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of caster sugar and half a teaspoon of salt. And now I'm just winging it kind of because I don't really know what to do. So I'm just kind of trying to spread the rice over. Is this right? I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm very happy with that success. And now I'm going to attempt to use this, but I... Okay, definitely... Oh wait, I messed up, guys. Oh, cracky. Well, lost some rice at the end of this one, but pretty good. That one went pretty well, except I feel like I should have wrapped it maybe a little bit tighter. I feel like the rice might not be sticky enough because, you know. But I'm just going to do my third one. This one's going to be the plain avocado one.
Not bad.
The rice is definitely weird.
Not really though.
It's not a big difference, but it's definitely
Noticeable.
a difference. Anyway,
Not bad at all.
so I'm gonna finish this piece of sushi and then clean up all this mess. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was actually really fun. I think sushi is kind of a fun thing to make because you don't really make it that often.
Never.
Yeah. But if you guys were going to copy this recipe, then I would recommend not putting in, like we did 1 cup of rice to half a cup of the apple cider vinegar. And if I were you guys, I would suggest, and if I ever do this again, I'll probably do like 1 cup of rice to like 1/4 of a cup of vinegar maybe. Definitely not half because it's really vinegary and it kind of made it lose some of the stick. But my recommendation would be to do like 1/4 or 1/3 cup of vinegar to 1 cup of rice for future. But overall, this tastes pretty dang good with some soy sauce. So, thank you guys so much for watching and remember to like and subscribe and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Turn that tap on 1 more time while I'm in the middle of a sentence.
I'm not turning